This is a normal 30 fps video clip, but with normal slow motion in Final Cut Pro, you got this kind of result. Looks like I am playing images, and I don't think this is useful or you can work with this. But with this new secret, your clip look like this. Remember one thing, timeline is not rendered yet. English is too good. So rendering is completed. Let's see it again. This is so good. But now I will show you how you can achieve this kind of slow motion in your footage. This is my project setting. You can see just normal 30 fps. Now drag and drop your clip that you want to make it slow. Okay, a little bit more extra. Cut that damn extra stuff. Now you have the clip that you want to make slow. So select the clip, right click. Oh, sorry. Let's do it again. Select the clip. Press Command plus R, and now you have a green beautiful line. Press on the down arrow and you have multiple options. Now go to smooth slow motion. You got 3 options: 50%, 25%, 10%. Let's go with 10%. Play this one and you got this kind of slow motion that is super smooth. But there is a problem. Only 3 options available: 50%, 25% or 10%. What if you want to slow your footage in a specific number like 69? So just press Command plus R. You got the same steps. Down arrow, smooth slow motion, select any option. For the first time, trust the process. I am selecting 25. And now zoom out and stretch this one as your desired number. Little struggle and you got the nice number. And now just render this one. And now you have a smooth slow motion that looks super good. Good. For this kind of English, you can subscribe this channel and wait for the next video. Subscribe.